small hut here at Solo.
So, how was your experience, Mr. Saeed? Yes? Are you shy? Guys, this boy is shy. He can't express his feelings on the camera. We will ask him in offline.
I will suggest you to come here, please.
So, Yasir, how was your trip today?
My trip is so joyful.
Wow, nice. Where are you from?
I am from USA.
USA, but you are looking from Africa.
No, I am bus. From childhood we sit
Mr. Daniel, how are you?
Fine.
What are you doing here?
We are here to visit the place.
So, how was the trip?
It was so good.
So good. You
Yeah.
enjoyed a lot?
Yes, I
Eat
enjoyed
chicken?
a lot. Yes,
Oh.
barbecue.
Are you here alone or with friends?
We are with friends.
Where are your friends? Only two friends here.
No, they are coming.
They are coming.
They are from.
Oh, they are slow. So, what is the name of this place? Anyone tell me, please?
Malchi.
Malchi.
Yes.
What does Malchi mean in English?
I don't know.
You don't know?
actually.
Mr. Daniel? Dessert. Oh. Mr.
come
Said? Zappu? So guys, this was the short introduction of Malchi. I am here with my guides, Mr. Zappu, Mr. Said, Mr. Yasir, Mr. Daniel. So it was nice to
Friends from different places.
with them here. See, you can see the mountains. They are extremely beautiful with snow. The mountain here you can see is the Barkholti.
Barkhote.
This is 800 meter, 1000 meters high. Sorry. Mr. Daniel, what languages you can speak?
Burushaski.
Burushaski and
Burushaski, Urdu.
Urdu. Okay, Burushaski is your mother tongue.
Yes.
How we can say in Burushaski, how are you?
Behal Villa.
Behal bila. Behal bila.
Yes, yes.
And how we can say I am good.
Jetik ba.
Jetik ba. So guys, Mr. Daniel is teaching us the Burushaski language. You can say in Burushaski, how are you? Behal bila. I'm right? Yeah, nice. Mr. Yasir,
Yes.
how we can say I am here at Malchi, looking at the mountains, sitting here, enjoying the snow. Please say it in Burushaski.
Je malchi ardaya ba guto charko itikiti guto charko biang guto osalyar guto buddal tasti shan mira.
Nice, nice. I can't pronounce it, guys. It's very tough language. Mr. Said, come here.